Hello guys, welcome to my video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download TikTok back on your device after you erased it. So make sure to watch this tutorial until the end. And without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open Safari or Google Chrome and go directly to this website called AlphaModXYZ. I'll leave a link for you in the first comment. Then go to the search bar, type in TikTok, or you'll find it on the first page under TikTok Bypass iOS and Android. Tap on that and then press Start Injection. That's basically it, guys. It will go ahead and install. After completing this, you'll be directed to a page called App Injected, where you may be asked to verify your device by following a few easy steps. Make sure to do that. After verification, you'll find TikTok on your home screen. As you can see, I've successfully got TikTok on my iPhone, and this is exactly how you can do it. There's nothing difficult, just follow these steps and you'll be able to get TikTok back on your mobile device. That concludes the video. I hope it was useful to you. Please don't forget to follow the channel and leave a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.